And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in sunny Cheshire at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. Well, let's go Tuesday. It's going to be awesome. So what have we got going on today? We've got George. Gorgeous George is coming down for his SimplyDiag members ride-along day. And got an action-packed day full of bespoke training for him. And the red chair's waiting for him. We've got a couple of interesting jobs coming in today. We've got one of the newer Audis is coming in from another garage. Apparently the owner of the vehicle thinks that his timing was out, so his timing was checked yesterday, and it's still got cam crank correlation fault. So we'll go and have a look at that today. We might get some wiggly lines. What else we got? We've got Tuareg coming in, I think, for steering angle sensor fault. Morning, Ross. How are you, mate? How's Bonnie Scotland? Yeah, we've got all sorts of stuff. Thunderbird 2's away at Priceless Auto Services in Northwich, having some bodywork done. Some filler had blown out on one of the passenger doors at the rear, so they're sorting that out. So yeah, we're mooching about in Thunderbird 5 in the pickle of Volvo. So yeah, I've been here now about an hour, just setting up, just out to have my second number 9. Got a bit of a cough, don't know what's going on there. Cold and wet standard. It's a short stay here. Forecast 21 degrees until 1 o'clock when it's going to pour down. What's that all about? Rain. Middle of summer. Morning, David. How are you, mate? So, on another note, recently I went trade only. I was getting absolutely inundated with the wrong sort of customers, the wrong sort of cars, the wrong sort of faults. I've now reversed that decision. I'm going to be opening 4 selected public jobs. So if you're a car owner and you've got a fault, drop me a message or give me a call. If your fault interests me and suits what I normally do, I'd be happy to have a look at it. But it's got to be something interesting, something that would make good social media posts, stuff like that. Morning, Bradley. And yeah, but no, we are open for booking, for public bookings now, but very select jobs. So yeah, drop us a line, see what we've got, what you've got. Morning, Keith. How are you, mate? But ride-along days are another one today. I absolutely love them. It's the best part of the job. It really is. Morning, Leon. How are you, mate? I really do love them. It's what we live for. The object of the exercise is every technician I meet to give them the skills and the inspiration to be better than me. And yeah, let's raise them standards and that public perception. But Tuesday, what are we going to have for lunch for Tuesday? Butty van or what? What's going on? We'll have to wait and see. Could even be McDonald's. Who knows? Or a nice salad. Morning, Derek. But at the moment, yeah, the forecast is dry for the morning anyway. And we've got tell you what, we've got a BMW coming in for a stage 1 remap. So for a performance tune this morning. So that'll be interesting. All our software comes with a full vehicle engine health check and drivetrain health check before we tune. That's all included in the price, and then we use software from one of our awesome community partners, either Avon Tuning or DC Tuning. Guaranteed files, dyno tested down in Bristol. Avon Tuning, DC Tuning, best in the business. Let's go. So wires and wiggly lines, ride-alongs, bit of software. How could the day get any better? Morning, Graham. How are you, mate? Yeah, how could the day get any better? So I'm going to get stuck in, get all the PCs turned on, get everything updated. That's a daily occurrence. And we'll see you later in the live Zoom. Community members, live Zoom, SimplyDiag.net. Yeah, what's not to love about it? Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. You're awesome.